Hi students, today I'm going to talk about the chapter linear equations. Now linear equations is a part of the algebra. I think this is the fifth chapter in the algebra portion. So what all have we covered? First, the basic definition of algebra. What is the basic definition of algebra? That till now we have been studying the arithmetic numbers like 4, 5, so and so forth. Constant numbers, 10. These are the arithmetic numbers we have studied till now. What we are now going to study are the variable numbers like X, Y, Z, right? Anything, A, B, C. It's a generalized form of mathematics. This is fixed, but this is variable. I can change the values. X can be 1, X can be 2, X can be 3, and so on and so forth. So hence importance of algebra. Now, this was the introduction. Then we studied about how to add the different algebraic terms like x plus 4x, right? Y plus 3x. Multiplication of two numbers, constant number, variable number, right? Division, x cube upon x square or x cube upon y square. We studied all this in the second chapter. Third, we spoke on the terms and degrees. For example, if it is x plus 5, then the degree here is 1. But if the term is x square plus 6, then the degree is 2, and so forth. X cube plus 7, the degree is 3. This was the third chapter. Then we studied something on substitution. What is substitution? If x is equal to 2, then what is the value of this expression? So what we have done, 2 cube plus 7, which is 15. This we did in the third chapter of the algebra. And now, after having done all this, we are going to talk about equations. And that too linear equation. What is a linear equation? When the degree is 1, right? So all the questions which you will study in this chapter will have degree 1. It will never be x cube plus 7. It will never be x square plus 6. This we are going to study in class 7th and 8th, right? So linear equation. What does equation means? That if there are two expression, for example, x plus 3, and there is another expression, say 2x plus 7, and if they are, say, equal, then for what values of x this is true? If there are two expression, x plus 3 and 2x plus 7, then for what values of x this is true? This is what we do in the linear equation. I hope you have understood the meaning of linear, meaning of equation. Now we can do any sum. There are some rules to be followed, right? What are the rules to be followed? That if there is a plus on the left hand side, if it moves to the right, the sign changes to minus. If this is plus on the left hand side, for example, if this is plus 3, if it moves on the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 3. If it is minus, if it is to be moved on the other side, this becomes plus. For example, had this been x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 7, then this minus 3, when it moves here, it will become plus. Third one, multiplication. For example, if the equation is 4x is equal to 2. What is the meaning 4x? It is not 4 plus x. This is 4 into x. Always remember this is 4 into x. Now, if 4 has to go on the right side of the equation, it will go in the denominator, 2 upon 4, right? X upon 5 is equal to 3. Now, if there is a number in the denominator, if it is to move on the right-hand side of the equation, it will become a multiplication, which is x is equal to 3 into 5. These are the only 4 rules what you have to remember. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become a division on this side, division will become a multiplication on this side. Now, any number can move any side. All the numbers can also move from right to left. If this is plus 7, if it has to go on this side, this will become minus 7. This is what we have to remember. Now, I'll just quickly do small sums, like, let me do here. X plus 5 is equal to 8. What is the answer? X equal to 8 minus 5. Plus 5 has moved to the right and has become minus. 4x is equal to 20. I just told you this is a multiplication. If it goes on the right hand side, this will become a division. So this will become 20 upon 4, right? Anything else? Let me take two variables. X minus, say, 3 is equal to 2x minus 5. Now, I'll bring both variables. This is a variable, this is a variable, this is a constant with a variable. So this entire becomes a variable. Now, if I have to bring on the left-hand side, this will be x minus 2x, because this is a plus. When it comes whole, it becomes minus. And this is a number. I'll take all the constants on one side. This is minus 5. And when this minus 3 comes, this becomes plus 3. Right? So this becomes minus x. X minus 2x is what? Minus x. This we studied in the negative integers. 1 minus 2 is minus 1x, which is equal to minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. That is the reason we studied the negative integers. So what is x? X is equal to 2. This is a short summary of the chapter linear equation. I'm going to take up 5 different examples and solve it in a separate video. I hope you enjoyed the concept. See you in the next one.